Hey guys, on this YouTube channel I'm going to share with you something that is very close to my heart. I'm going to be telling you about the Baha'i Faith, just a little bit information in every episode. For generations we've seen people fighting with each other, arguing and hating one another just because they thought that their God is the true one. Imagine two groups of people fighting amongst each other, where one claims that it is the sun that gives us light and the other claims that no, it is the Surya. The time has come for us to realize that Allah, Bhagwan, Baha'i Guru, Ishwar, God, etc. all of these are just different names of our one same supreme creator. As more and more people become educated that God is one, no matter in what language we call him, when more and more people become educated that the creator of all of these humans is one, there will be so much less hatred, there will be less wars, there will be less prejudice, and there will be more unity. We need to stop fighting amongst each other. Only then can humanity progress to the next level. Alright guys, thank you for giving me 2 minutes of your time, and I will be sharing more interesting information in the upcoming videos. Thank you and bye for now.